Trời hôm nay nóng thế không biết được. And how to say it? It's boiling hot. It's sizzling. It's blazing. It's sweltering. It's scorching. It's blistering. And last but not least, the dog days, which means the hotter days of summer. And here is how to apply it in the IELTS. Okay, so tell me, do you like the weather in your hometown? Well, by far and large, I'm generally fascinated by the climate in my hometown, especially when the autumn equinox comes. However, to be honest, I cannot stand the summer, when the weather is unbearably sweltering. On top of that, in the middle of the dog days, because we have to travel back and forth under blazing sunshine, so it's quite common that a lot of people get heat stroke, or even worse.